Hi! In this video I'd like to show you our bigger kitchen. I'm staying in front of the Opera Hall on Andrássy Avenue. Here is the pickup point where the buses can park, but you can arrive by the Millennium subway as well. Now we should walk for 2 minutes on pedestrian street to our culinary space. That's all, we arrived. Let's go in.
This culinary studio has a big, well-equipped kitchen and a spacious dining room on balcony. You can see it's not a cellar room. The whole place has urban-style furniture with clean colors and several nice objects in order to create a friendly atmosphere. This place is perfect for bigger groups where the guests can cook and bake together in teams and they can enjoy each other's company.
I hope you enjoyed it and see you soon in our kitchen.